Hey everybody, Fred asked me a question about what was the deflection further out on the end of the bar. Well, I just set it out. I had done an earlier video with taking a measurement right close to the end of the Lathemaster 5C collet chuck. And the max deflection was just a couple thou. So here it is further out. I know it ain't all the way as far out as it can go, but using the exact same setup with the plunge back stare-it indicator, this is all the further I can go. This is one limitation I should point out of using the DRO scales, that takes a couple of inches away of your travel if your tailstock is in place. So that never bothered me before, but it is something worth taking into consideration. So anyway, here we are a few inches further out onto the end of this. This is a 3/4 inch piece of drill rod. And again, pardon the squeakiness, but going out, I guess, about 3 inches from the end, you can see and go all the way through. Still, the deflection is probably less than 1/1000th of an inch, plus or minus. So, very pleased with that, and not going to bother messing with this collet chuck. Here we go. There's that index mark. You can see it on the left, the blue magic marker. So I'm going to go all the way around. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Get up at that point, maybe a thou high, and let's bring her back around. Where's the index mark? There it is. Okay, so maybe 1/1000th of an inch. So I'm perfectly satisfied with this. Fred, maybe it's these wonderful Enco collets that you sold me. That must be what it is. Maybe my other ones are not any good. So that's a quick update. I haven't used this lathe for anything other than getting it set up. The next thing I need to do is set up the tailstock alignment. I've got a lathe test bar